Loopy Lu.
And I'm TJ.
I'm Benny and welcome to my kitchen.
And today we are making, what are we making, TJ?
Almond smile.
Almond smiles, cool. And we have lots of ingredients. So what do we have here, Benny?
We've got some wholemeal and white spelt flour, Loopy Lu.
Spelt flour. It's different, isn't it, from wheat flour? Spelt flour. Must be better for you, right?
It sure is, Loopy Lu.
Excellent. And what are these?
Some sliced almonds or almond flakes.
Almonds all cut up. Excellent. And I know what this one is. Don't you know what it is, TJ? What is it?
Butter.
Butter, real butter. And we have what's this yellow goopy thing here? It's the yolk.
Yeah, just the yolk.
Oh, hang on. Is this the white over here?
That's the white.
So you've separated them.
I have.
Okay. And we have some, what's this?
That's some ground almonds.
Yum. And, what's this?
This is a special type of sugar, Loopy Lu. It's a sugar from a coconut, so it's a coconut sugar.
Coconut sugar. Oh, how interesting. And an orange, I can see that there. So how do we make the almond smiles, Benny?
Okay, Loopy Lu, first of all, we're going to get TJ here to sift all of this flour into the bowl. So if you want to do that, TJ.
And I see you've actually got something in the bottom of the bowl there. What's that?
Yes, Loopy Lu, we've already grated the orange into the bowl with our big grater. So we've got just a little bit
get
there.
the orange and grate it into the bowl, yep.
That's it. It would give it a real nice bit of orange flavour.
I can smell it. Can you smell it, TJ?
Can you smell?
It smells great.
Right, okay, in it goes.
Well done, TJ. You're such a great help.
Okay.
Now sift, sift.
Sift that one. Now TJ's going to use a spoon because he finds that a little bit easier. And I'll hold it for him.
Pushing it through all the holes so the flour is nice and soft. Is that right, Benny?
That's it, Loopy Lu. We're going to put lots of air into the flour. It makes it nice and light.
Light like a cloud.
Get those arms working.
We will stir, 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 stir.
Stir the cookie pot. Stir, stir, stir the flour, sister. Stir, stir. What have we got in the stirrer?
We've got some spelt flour. Ooh, so I see all the big bits are left over.
Okay, Loopy Lu. Now here at the bottom we have some of the fibre from the flour, the husk. So we're going to tip that all in because we need that.
We do need fibre to help everything run through our tummy nice and smoothly.
Okay, TJ. Now we're going to add the butter into the flour mix. And we're going to use your fingers and we're going to mix it until we get lots of tiny little breadcrumbs in there.
Ooh, I like doing this.
Can I tip it in?
You go, Loopy Lu. It's stuck. Oh, good job. Okay, dive in, TJ. Get those hands nice and dirty.
Squish, squish.
Oh, Loopy Lu, we should put TJ's apron on.
Oh, I forgot.
Before you get all that flour all over your overalls.
Do you have an apron? It's a really good idea to put an apron on when you're doing anything that's messy or sticky. Here we go, TJ. Excellent.
Great job. You keep mixing away there, TJ. Now we want to try and make breadcrumbs out of the flour mix. So we're going to do it very softly. We can squish
So
for a
little
bit
bits.
and rub. That's it.
Oh.
And then rub your hands.
Show everyone your hands.
Wow.
Should we go and wash our hands?
I think that might be a good idea.
Show us your hands, TJ. Are they clean?
Oh, that's much better.
We're ready, Benny. What's next?
Okay, now I want you to tip that coconut sugar in.
Ooh, coconut sugar.
No tasting. In it goes. Now for the almond meal as well. Very good.
Oh, thanks, TJ. In it goes.
Now we're going to mix that around with the spoon.
Ooh.
Very gently. We don't want to spill it all over the table. I'll hold the bowl.
There it goes. It's changing colour now. It's becoming a bit lighter. Before it was dark brown, now it's becoming light brown. Ooh. Smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you smell it, TJ?
It's orange and sweet.
Smell it down there.
Yum. Any more stirring, Benny?
A little bit more. Great. Okay, that looks good, TJ.
Yay.
I'll break up some of these lumps, and then what I want you to do is get you to get the egg yolk. So it's just the yellow part of the egg.
Loopy Lu can stick the egg yolk in.
TJ, yeah, I'd love to.
There we go. We made a hole in the middle. We're going to tip that in. Thanks, Loopy Lu. Yeah.
Benny, can you tell us a joke?
Oh, Loopy Lu, you put me on the spot. Let me think. Oh, I know. Why did the girl throw the butter?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Why did the girl throw the butter?
Because she wanted to see the butterfly.
Oh, they don't
Of course.
Good one, Benny.
Yeah.
How's that going, TJ? A bit more mixing?
Mix.
Come on. Okay, you two. Well, it's looking a little bit lumpy, and a bit dry, Loopy Lu. So we need it to be a little bit more moist. So I'm going to get a little bit of water, and TJ here is going to help me, and he's going to pour it in very gently. And when I'm mixing, until we get the right mixture's consistency. Okay?
So not lumpy, we want it soft.
That's right, Loopy Lu. Okay, TJ, so you hold the water. Great. Now, you pour it in just a little bit, TJ. Great, stop there, and I'll give it a mix, and we'll see how it looks, Loopy Lu.
Ooh, it's becoming more smooth, and it's sticking together better. It was a bit dry before.
Ooh, that's great. I think that might even do, TJ.
Ooh.
Fantastic. Now, it's all clumped together into one big mass, like that. Okay. And now's the fun bit. Now we get to make our almond smiles.
You get it? Almond smiles.
Okay, so we've all got clean hands because we washed them before. Now we're going to take little bits like little teaspoonfuls and we roll it into a ball, Loopy Lu.
Ooh, I love this part.
Just like that.
Rolling the car. We're rolling the car. We're
like a marble.
Rolling.
That's it. We've got little balls here.
Little balls.
Now I want you to put them down and we just gently roll them onto the table like that. And we pinch up the ends and turn them up. And then we have our little smiles. How you going, TJ? You got yours?
Yeah, I just haven't finished rolling yet.
Okay. Now I'm going to get a baking tray, Loopy Lu, that I've prepared with some baking paper on it.
Ooh.
And we're going to put the ones that we shape onto the baking tray, leaving a little bit of space between them.
Okay.
Great. How's yours, TJ?
Smile.
Wow, look at that.
Mine's going
Fantastic.
way good.
Show the other kids. Ooh, holding it up. That's it.
Great.
I like mine.
Okay, we keep busy doing that.
I've made a huge monster smile.
Oh, Loopy Lu.
Oh, Loopy Lu.
That's gonna be yummy.
Okay, so we've rolled all the balls and we've rolled them on the bench to make the smiles. We've got big smiles, little smiles. Is it time to go in the oven yet, Benny, or there's more to do?
Not quite, Loopy Lu. We've got some fun bit to come now. After we've rolled and made all these beautiful smiles, all different shapes, small and large ones, we're now going to use the egg white that I used when I separated the yolk before.
That's better, isn't it? Those were frowns before, they were sad face. Now they're smiley faces.
That's right. Okay, so I'll show TJ what we're going to do. We're going to get the egg white, and we've got a nice pastry brush here, and we're just going to get a little bit on the pastry brush, and we're going to just paint all these beautiful smiles.
Why do we do that, Benny?
Well, Loopy Lu, what we're going to do is we're then going to dip or sprinkle some of the flaked almonds on the top.
Oh, so it makes it stick.
That's it.
Stick to the smiles.
There you are, TJ. So while TJ's doing that, I'm going to get the flakes and I'm going to spread them all over. Nice job there, TJ. Little handfuls, and we just stick the almonds onto there.
I'm excited.
Loopy Lu.
Yes.
Would you like to do a few smiles for me?
TJ, thank you. Ooh,
There you go.
drip,
You can
drip.
put some flakes on too, TJ.
Ooh,
It's like painting.
yeah. It's fun.
Yeah, it's heaps of fun.
There guys, and we'll show them up. There we have all the flakes stuck on there. Now we're going to pop them into the oven. We've got the oven heated up already, Loopy Lu.
Ooh.
And I think it's ready. So I'll put them in now for 20, maybe 15 minutes, these ones.
Oh, so we've got them out of the oven. Can we eat them now, Benny?
We sure can, Loopy Lu, but first, because we've given them time to cool now, so they're all ready to eat. They smell so
Oh,
good.
it smells so good. So almond smiles. Ooh, which one? Ooh. And to
And
taste
let's
it.
go.
Oh, yum.
Mmm.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Mmm.
So remember, kids, if you're going to have a treat, remember to have a real
Everybody,
food treat. See you next time. Bye.
Delightful, nutritious, patisserie treats. Benny cooks with her usual flair. Wonderful flavors and so good for you. What's Benny and TJ and